Hello all, today we will demonstrate how to add the currency selection web part in Kentico 12. First log in to Kentico 12 CMS desk with your credentials. Now, select Pages in the menu section. Then, click on the Design tab. And go to Top Info Right Zone. And select Add New Web Part. Now, search for Currency Selection Web Part, then select it. Now click on the Kentico icon, then search for Store Configuration and select it. Then, select Currencies. Here, click on New Currency to add a new currency format. Now, enter the desired fields and save the changes. Now, go to Exchange Rate section. And click on New Exchange Table. Here, give a display name, and add valid from date. Then click Save. Now, add your exchange rate value to your desired field and click Save. Now, go to Live Site and check your currency selector option at the top right corner of the page. Thank you for watching this video.